Let's move to reality on investment. Now let's talk about where to put your first $100. Most people believe you need thousands of dollars to start investing. No, you don't. In 2026, $100 is enough to begin building wealth, if you put it in the right place. The biggest mistake beginners make is not starting small. It is putting money in the wrong assets and quitting before compounding has time to work. Today, I will show you exactly where to put your first $100, step by step. No hype, no scams, just fundamentals that actually work. Welcome to the Billionaire Margin Blueprint. This is the channel where we break down money, investing, and wealth building using logic, math, and long-term strategy, not motivation. If you want to stop guessing with money and start making intentional financial decisions, you are in the right place. Quick note before we continue. This is financial education, not financial advice. If you are a beginner, understand this clearly. Your first $100 is not about getting rich. It is about learning the game without losing your confidence. Before we talk about where to invest, let's talk about what not to do. Do not chase hot stocks. Do not day trade. Do not gamble on hype or trends. Do not copy influencers without understanding risk. Your first investment should not be a gamble. It should be a foundation. The best place for most beginners to start in 2026 is a broad market exchange-traded fund. These funds allow you to invest in hundreds of companies at once instead of betting on a single stock. You are buying growth. You are buying stability. And most importantly, you are buying time in the market. This is how long-term wealth is actually built. Another option is fractional investing. In 2026, you do not need to buy full shares of companies. With $100, you can own small pieces of strong, established businesses. The rule is simple. Only invest in companies that are profitable and easy to understand. Keep it boring. Boring works. If you are extremely cautious, there is nothing wrong with starting in a high-yield savings account. This protects your money, builds the habit of consistency, and prepares you psychologically to invest more later. Wealth is not built by rushing. It is built by staying in the game. Here is the truth most people never hear. Your first $100 will not make you rich. Consistency will. If you invest $100 today and continue investing regularly over time, you are activating compounding, the most powerful force in finance. This is not about speed, it is about discipline. Now, I want to hear from you. If you had $100 to invest today, where would you put it and why? Leave your answer in the comments below. I read them and I respond, especially to beginners. If this video helped you understand investing more clearly, subscribe to the Billionaire Margin Blueprint to engineer your wealthy mindset. This channel is for people who want to stop guessing, stop panicking, and start building wealth the right way. Money is not about luck. It is about strategy. Class dismissed.